Hi, I'm Rachel Utuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean plaster dust from your home. If you've had remodeling done or you've moved into a brand new house and noticed that there's plaster dust, you have got to clean it up. It's very toxic. It is not something that you can breathe in safely. So first of all, grab a dust mask and get the kids and the pets and anybody else out of the house if you're going to take this job on yourself. The best thing to clean plaster dust is a wet dry vac, or what I call a shop vac. Because if you try to dust anything the traditional way with a feather duster or a rag, it moves the dust around a lot more than it actually removes it. So you want to use the shop vac. It's going to suck the dust up and contain it. So you want to use the shop vac, around your door frames, on your blinds, on your window sills, on your carpet. Be very, very meticulous with this because you want to get every inch of the plaster dust up. Also, use it on your wood floors. Vacuum all of your floors. It's really good for corners and things like that. But a shop vac is the key ingredient in removing plaster dust. Once you've vacuumed up all of the plaster dust, which is going to take you a very long time, but you want to be very meticulous, very tedious, you only got to do it once. But you may be left with a very, very, very light dusting of plaster dust on your wood floors or things like that, or maybe even surfaces like this bar. In that case, what you want to do is get a bucket of vinegar and water, fill your bucket up with water, and add a cup or maybe 2 cups of vinegar to it, and use that to wipe everything down. Vinegar is harmless to wood and other surfaces, so you don't have to worry about it stripping your wood or hurting the paint on the walls or anything like that. Vinegar and water is the best thing to clean gentle surfaces with, as well as, floors, vinyl floors, ceramic floors, whatever. Vinegar's great. So, you just want to get your mop wet and mop your floors up real good. This will give them a nice shine. And it may take you a couple of days, but once the project's done, you can be proud of yourself and know that you'll never have to do that again. I'm Rachel Utuzis, and that is how you clean plaster dust from your home.